This morning, an example of hotel cooking. I've been in Las Vegas for 2 weeks. Bought out food is very poor quality, very expensive, but I brought with me a few basics of cooking. A foldable stove, an eBay example, the gas cylinders that it will run from. These are the common gas cylinders, and you'll need an adapter, which is about £4. There's the view of the adapter. I brought a small skillet frying pan and a camping set. These are also £10 from eBay. They consist of 2 saucepans which stack into each other, a small pan which I seldom use but it's useful for holding and heat retention when I'm cooking, and also any splattering. This has proven very successful, and I've been able to cook chicken. The chicken I cook in water, simmered. I then lightly fry in butter, and also can make myself coffee, although there is also a coffee made machine in the room, so that's useful for heating water as well. The whole successful operation is included in the bathroom. As there are fire alarms in the building, it's important not to burn any food which is beneath the pans, so they need to be wiped clean, and I conduct the operation in the bathroom with the door closed so that the fire alarm is separated from the cooking area. This has proven very successful. Walmart for the gas cylinders I found very successful. The DIY shops do not have the standard interlocking variety usually. So it's Walmart, and the cooking set I brought from the UK obviously with no gas, but it went through customs, and that was a little tricky thing, but there is no gas attached to the cooker and the saucepans. Of course, on some airlines, American Airlines will not allow you to carry cast iron cookware. So this is all stainless steel, and it's proven highly successful. My food is of the type that I normally eat, ungarnished or unmolested with sugared salts and sauces. So I just thought I'd share this with you. It's possible to do, and my way of starting the day with a cooked breakfast. Hope this helps you to piece together a cooking set that will make you self-sufficient and avoid the necessity of fast food outlets and cheap restaurants. Las Vegas is not inexpensive when it comes to food. It is very expensive for anything that is of any quality. Here's a close-up of the cooker. It fits onto a screw cap. And here is the adapter that you will need. This enables you to use 2 types of gas canister, both available from Walmart, and produce a delicious cooked breakfast. If you're into vitamin D enriched liver in the morning.